Welcome to my channel, Jenna's Bilingual Bridge. Today is January 23, 2026. And by the way, my language is Bisaya or Visayan. I am from the south side of the Philippines. So once again, our language is Bisaya. Okay, are you ready to learn more Filipino language? Well, let's start. Small in Visayan, gamay. Maliit in Tagalog. Big or large. Dako or dako kaayo in Visayan. Malaki or ang laki in Tagalog. Fat or chubby. Tambok in Visayan. Mataba in Tagalog. Skinny or thin. Niwang in Visayan. Payat in Tagalog. Strong. Kusgan or ligon in Visayan. Malakas in Tagalog. Weak. Walay kusog or huyang in Visayan. Mahina in Tagalog. Talkative. Banhaan or tabian in Visayan, madaldal in Tagalog. Noisy. Banha or saba in Visayan, maingay in Tagalog. Silent or quiet. Hilom or ayaw pagsaba in Visayan, tahimik in Tagalog. Alright, this is all for today, and as always, have fun learning. Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like and share, and see you in my next video.